When it comes to eating fish, making the right choices isn't just about flavor, it's about protecting your health, supporting sustainable practices, and reducing environmental impact. Fish can be an incredible source of nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. However, the wrong choices can expose you to harmful toxins, like mercury and PCBs, or contribute to the decline of marine ecosystems. In this video, you'll discover the fish you should embrace for their health benefits and sustainability and the ones you should avoid to protect yourself and the planet. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make smarter, healthier seafood choices. Let's start with wild-caught salmon, a fish that has rightfully earned its reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. Wild salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for maintaining heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. These fats don't just protect your body from chronic diseases like heart attacks or strokes, they also enhance cognitive performance and may reduce symptoms of depression. Alongside its omega-3s, salmon provides vitamin D, a nutrient that boosts your immune system, strengthens your bones, and regulates mood. Despite these benefits, there's a critical distinction to make: wild versus farmed salmon. Farmed salmon, raised in confined and often unsanitary conditions, is not the same. Farmed fish are more likely to contain unhealthy levels of PCBs, toxins that are linked to cancer and other serious health problems. That's why choosing wild-caught salmon, particularly from regions like Alaska known for their strict regulations, is key to reaping the health benefits without the risks. Now let's dive into sardines, the unsung heroes of the seafood world. These small fish might not seem impressive at first glance, but they pack a massive nutritional punch. Sardines are incredibly rich in calcium and vitamin D, which work together to strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. For individuals who avoid dairy or are lactose intolerant, sardines provide an excellent alternative source of calcium. What makes them even more appealing is their high omega-3 fatty acid content. These fats not only reduce inflammation but also lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Sardines are low on the food chain, which means they don't accumulate as many toxins like mercury compared to larger fish. Their sustainability also sets them apart. Sardines are harvested in environmentally friendly ways, making them a smart and ethical choice for your diet. Mackerel is another fish that deserves a spot on your plate, but it's essential to choose the right type. Atlantic and Pacific mackerel are excellent options. These oily fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and selenium, all of which contribute to energy production, healthy skin, and a robust immune system. Studies show that eating mackerel regularly can help lower triglyceride levels, a key factor in preventing heart disease. However, not all mackerel is created equal. King mackerel, a larger species, often contains high levels of mercury, which can cause serious neurological issues over time. Mercury exposure is particularly dangerous for pregnant women and young children, so always opt for smaller, low-mercury varieties of mackerel to stay safe while enjoying its many health benefits. Another seafood group that stands out is shellfish, including mussels, clams, and oysters. Shellfish are not only packed with protein but are also excellent sources of zinc and iron. Zinc is particularly beneficial for boosting immune function, aiding wound healing, and supporting healthy skin. Oysters, for instance, are a nutritional marvel. Just a single oyster provides nearly 100% of your daily zinc requirement, alongside heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin B12. What's more, shellfish farming is incredibly sustainable. As filter feeders, shellfish clean the water they grow in, removing excess nutrients and improving aquatic ecosystems. This makes them one of the most eco-friendly seafood options available, aligning perfectly with a diet focused on both health and sustainability. While those are some of the best seafood choices, it's just as important to know which fish to avoid. Starting with shark, it's easy to see why this predator should be off your plate. Sharks accumulate mercury and other toxins over their long lifespans, making their meat a health hazard. Mercury poisoning can lead to severe neurological issues, including memory loss, tremors, and cognitive decline. Sharks also play a critical role in marine ecosystems by maintaining balance within the food chain. Overfishing for shark meat and fins has pushed many species to the brink of extinction. By avoiding shark meat, you're not only protecting your health but also contributing to the preservation of marine biodiversity. Swordfish, another predator at the top of the food chain, comes with similar risks. While it's a popular choice in upscale restaurants, swordfish contains some of the highest mercury levels among seafood. Consuming swordfish even occasionally can expose you to dangerous levels of mercury, which is particularly harmful to the nervous systems of young children and unborn babies. If you're looking for a similar texture and flavor, consider halibut or mahi-mahi as safer alternatives. These fish offer the same culinary appeal without the health risks or environmental consequences. Tilapia is another common fish that many people consume without knowing its drawbacks. While it's affordable and widely available, much of the tilapia sold in markets is farmed in overcrowded and unsanitary conditions. This results in fish that are lower in beneficial omega-3s and higher in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation when consumed excessively. Additionally, farmed tilapia is often exposed to antibiotics and pesticides, raising concerns about contamination. If you enjoy mild-flavored fish, consider wild-caught cod or haddock instead, both of which are healthier and more sustainable options. Imported shrimp rounds out the list of seafood to avoid. Shrimp is beloved for its versatility and flavor, but imported varieties often come with a host of issues. Many are farmed in polluted waters and treated with chemicals to prevent disease in overcrowded conditions. These practices not only degrade the quality of the shrimp but also have devastating environmental impacts, destroying mangroves and other coastal ecosystems. When buying shrimp, look for options labeled as wild-caught or sustainably farmed, particularly from domestic sources where regulations are stricter. Navigating the seafood aisle can be daunting, but small, informed choices can make a big difference. Look for certifications like the Marine Stewardship Council (MSC) or Aquaculture Stewardship Council (ASC) to ensure the fish you're buying is responsibly sourced. Additionally, prioritizing local and seasonal options not only supports your community, but also guarantees the freshest catch with the lowest environmental footprint. Seafood has the power to transform your diet, providing nutrients that support your heart, brain, and overall well-being. However, it's vital to choose wisely to avoid hidden dangers like mercury contamination or supporting harmful fishing practices. By incorporating fish like wild-caught salmon, sardines, and mackerel into your meals and steering clear of options like shark, swordfish, and imported shrimp, you're making a commitment to your health and the health of the planet. If this video helped you understand how to make better seafood choices, don't forget to like and share it with someone who might find it useful. And before you go, hit the subscribe button to join our community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.